If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. These days, every third person you see talks about keto. While most of them follow keto diet for weight loss, but I still know few who follow keto for a healthier lifestyle. I'm not telling you to follow keto from now, but there is no harm in enjoying a recipe. Always discuss with your doctor or a primary healthcare provider if you start a new diet. Now let's talk about today's recipe. That's chicken with cheese in a buffalo sauce. Whether you follow keto or no, you can enjoy this chicken anytime, any day with sides of your choice.
Please note the ingredients needed to make cheese chicken in buffalo sauce. List is also given in description below. First of all, wash and clean chicken pieces and put them in a bowl. Over the chicken pieces, put some salt or namak, black pepper or kali mirch powder and let them rest for about 2-3 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare the sauce. For that, heat butter or makhan on very low heat in a pan. And before the butter melts, grate some garlic or lasan. Add in hot sauce or chili sauce and apple cider vinegar or सेब का सिरका. Now cover and let all these ingredients mix and cook on low heat. Be sure to use the hot sauce that has no added sugar in it. So now let's fry chicken. For that, heat clarified butter or desi ghee or coconut oil, nariyal ka tel in a pan. Over it, layer the chicken pieces that are chicken thighs in a single layer and keep the heat medium. Flip and fry on medium heat only and let the chicken get golden crust like this. And they are almost cooked, means they should be 90% cooked. And here the sauce has been simmering for quite some time while the chicken was being cooked. So I am taking out a little bit of sauce in a bowl. Keep it aside for a while and put the fried chicken pieces in a single layer in the saucepan, the pan in which we have sauce. Over the chicken pieces, put in Monterey Jack cheese. Each chicken has 1 slice of cheese. Over it, put the remaining sauce that we reserved. Cover and let the chicken cook in sauce for about 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat until done. Now this cheese chicken in buffalo sauce is ready to be served. You can have it as a starter, as a snack, or with keto style roti or keto buns or keto breads. Otherwise, you can also enjoy this with red sauce pasta. Check the recipe. So enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching.